Excuse me.
Yes, mate.
I ordered a long black.
It is a long black, mate.
No, that's a latte.
What? Mate, you've never had a long black with a latte pattern on top of it before? So today, for a bit of fun, I'm going to teach you how to put a latte art pattern on a long black. And I know that sounds crazy, but it is easy to do. And a bit of fun if you're going to share it with your family and friends. So what we're going to do is you're just going to get some water and pour it into your jug, milk jug first, cold water. We're going to get our coffee extraction ready. So we're going to get our grind and we're just going to do a double shot of coffee. So you do need a double handle with a double spout. Okay, do a bit of puck prep there. Bit of OCD action. And we'll use the tamper. Okay, now get your favourite cup, and what we're going to do is we're going to begin our extraction and split half into our cup and half into the jug with cold water. All right, so we're going to set aside our espresso shot there, and what we're going to do is we're going to froth this cold water and espresso together, and it's actually going to create a bit of a foam. Now, if we use the exact amount of water here, we know that we can fill this cup up. If we get a bit too much water, you might start to dilute that long black. So take a couple of measurements and know how much water to start with. And the good thing about this is you can heat your long black to the perfect temperature. You can grab a thermometer, pop it in, and you'll be spot on when you serve this to yourself or whoever has ordered. So pretty simple from here. We're going to froth our water and espresso. And you're just going to get a nice little agitation. It happens really quick because it is water. Because water coming out of a tap is about 23 degrees and milk is 4 degrees. So you want to be pretty ready to froth that. And if you have a look at the top of here, it looks like latte milk essentially. There's a nice fine bubble on there. The finer your steam hiss, the better that is going to be. So we're ready to pour out. Give your espresso a really good swirl to break that crema. And again, just get in and around the cup as you normally would. And then pour out your pattern. There you go, a little tulip. Pop it on a saucer with a spoon and serve that up to your mates or your friends. There you go, guys. I hope that gives you a little bit of fun in your coffee making. Now to note, does it taste different? Well, yes it does. The initial espresso is going to taste perfect, but when you do give it a little bit of heat up, I do find it gives it a little bit more acidity and it's a bit lighter. So you may or may not like that. But hey, just something fun to share with your family and friends. So when you give this a go at home and you've done something awesome, make sure you do tag us in all of our socials. We'd love to see the kind of patterns that you can produce on your long blacks. Thanks very much for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time. Cheers.